It's the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got one from Zenpop. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. What you got here is this weird, addictive mung bean sprout miso ramen from Acecook, and it's a tie-in with an anime series. So, I guess if you scan the QR code, where is that? Here, let's see. Yeah. This way? This way. And then get it closer. No, that's too close. Maybe that work for you. I'll try to hold it still right about there. And if you scan it, you can watch an episode of this anime series while you eat this thing. So, yeah. But, yeah, addictive mung bean sprout miso. Here's what it looks like. It looks like there are indeed dehydrated mung bean sprouts in here. I think that's what's going on. But let's do it. Let's do it up. Yeah, and I made a mess on the stove. So sue me. You won't win. The Ramen Raider legal team will take you down. So funny. Sometimes companies will use my logo or my stuff to sell stuff, and that's, first off, that's like really, that's like, I'm flattered, you know, that you think I'm that cool to do that, but it's not free. I mean, come on, I got kids, you know, and you're trying to make money off of what I do, so I'll send like a letter. This is Douglas Turnbull of the Ramen Raider legal team. It has come to our attention that blah, 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 and then I'll do a cease and desist letter, and they're like, oh, I'm so sorry, I'm so sorry. No, just send me some noodles, and you can use the logo. No, but yeah, it's just like, I mainly see a lot of that on eBay. Actually, though, there is one company, and they used to, I don't know what happened, but they are on my bottom 10 list now, which sucks because the products are good, but they use my logo on all their crap. They use it on their packaging. And I don't know. It's like they think it's okay, but they're not going to be happy. You know what my recourse is? The Soggy Noodle Award. The Soggy Noodle Award is when people rip off my work and use it, and I give them the Soggy Noodle Award, and I basically out them for doing it. And I've known a few people that are the bloggers that have done kind of the same thing, and usually they get a response. They're like, okay, fine, okay, all right, you got it, you're right. Which I like, you know. Will these guys do that? I really don't think they will. I think they're just gonna be jerks. But what can you do? Let everybody know that they got stinky feet. They got stinky feet, folks. But I'm gonna get some eggs out of here for today's stuff. Children doing out there? What are you doing out there? Your doll is never awake. It can't sleep. Your doll is not sentient, my dear. I'm trying to sleep. can't sleep. Okay. So I dumped the water out of this. Yeah. So let's take the noodle that we just made. Miles has taken to calling me Noodle lately. You are a noodle, and you are a doodle, Papa. Like, oh, am I? Actually, we're not going to use this. We're going to go straight to the bowl, ladies and gentlemen. Straight to the bowl. The fancy bowl. From the soggy noodles. Somebody who definitely deserves to be on the soggy noodle list sent me this. Somebody who thought they could buy their way onto the top 10 list. It's like, nope. Ow, God, that's hot, yo. Yeah. Generally, once if a company's like, so how much does it cost to be on the top 10? I just inform them and I never hear anything like that again. Some people, though, oh, and you know who you are, you shouldn't do that. Am I on the top 10? Am I on the top 10? Am I on the top 10? How much does it cost to be on the top 10? It would be very, very profitable for you to be on the top 10, or for us to be on the top 10. It's like, good God. The guy who sent me this said, oh, well, that's not how it works in Taiwan. It's like, I wouldn't say such horrible things about the people in your country. You're just saying that everybody works on bribes and buys their way into fame and glory. And it's just like, come on. No. One moment while I kill children. What are you guys doing? Why are you making so much noise? I'm out. Mimi, stop bugging your brother. He doesn't feel good either. Okay? Well, your doll can go sleep down at the end of the hallway. Why don't you go down there, set up your doll, put the light off. I'll be done with this in a minute. Okay, I'm back now after that cacophony. Where's one of these? Here's one of their mung bean sprouts. Wait, right? No. Addictive mung bean sprout noodle. No. I'm gonna say, honestly, I'm surprised. It does have a bit of a crispness to it. I didn't expect that all that much. Those are, it's not bad. It's miso, and as mentioned in the little liner notes by Zen Pop about this one, it does have a little bump of curry, which is, it's honestly, it's quite nice. Let's egg it up. Egg it on. Eggadocio. Okay. I'll go with this one. Try not to cut myself. Hey! I don't know what we're listening to now. Poo 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 poo. Okay, there's that. Time for some homemade choshu. Look at that! Look at that! Super tasty. Stop messing with the lights in the hallway. And then we need some spring onion. Done Up with Love by Holy Slicer. And then I used Holy Slicer to do up some Naruto, and it kind of went over. I went too quick. Not that one. Not that one. Oh my god. They're playing with the light in the hallway, and that is like big no-no. They think having a cold and feeling ill gives them the right to be little stinkers. So now they want to go into their room and destroy their room. There's that. A little? Yeah. Where's that? There it is. Leave the light alone or I'm gonna cut your eyeballs off and feed them to an animal outside. And stay out of there. God. School is a wonderful thing, ladies and gentlemen. Higher education for smaller children is great. And I'm going to use a little bit of this habanero curry powder right about there. All right, there we are. Hey guys, I want you to listen to me. It's Fun Friday, but I'm not having a lot of fun. Well, I am having fun with this, but I will be back after the Rotato does its thing. Well, now that that's taken care of, I ate their eyeballs and fed them to little animals outside. No, I just changed what was on TV. This one came from Sugoi Mart. This is Kibanaga, Kagoshima, Ishimaru, Kagoshima, Kibanago, and soy sauce ramen. So this has got like this special silver stripe herring in it. Yeah. And it's snazzy looking. So anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. This stuff was pretty good. Have a good one. Bye.